Unlocking Side Hustle Success. Strategies for Flexibility, Fun, and Finance. The transformative power of side hustles. The allure of side hustle lies not only in their financial potential, but in the promise of flexibility, personal fulfillment, and the freedom to cultivate passion projects, drawing upon a blend of personal anecdotes and triumphant case studies. We'll delve deeper into diverse side hustle ideas and the underlying principles that propel them to success. But first, this is Ash Cash Dash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's dive in. The Side Hustle Blueprint, a trifecta of flexibility, fun, and finance. Content curation, the Pin Lord's triumph. Venturing into the realm of side hustles, content creation stands out as a captivating avenue, exemplified by the success story of Eduardo Morales. Widely recognized as the Pin Lord, Morales strategically carved his entrepreneurial path by engaging in the curation and sale of animal pins. This innovative approach not only allowed him to explore and express his creativity, but also relieved the pressure typically associated with traditional content creation. One intriguing and successful avenue within the realm of side hustles is content creation, as demonstrated by the entrepreneurial journey of Eduardo Morales. Known as a Pin Lord, Morales found his niche by curating and selling animal pins, showcasing a unique and innovative approach to business. Through this venture, he discovered a means of creative expression that diverged from the conventional demands and expectations of content creation. Flexibility as a cornerstone of side hustle success. When planning a thriving side hustle, flexibility becomes a crucial component that cannot be overlooked. Many conventional part-time positions often lack the adaptability necessary for individuals juggling various commitments. The imperative lies in exploring opportunities that not only provide remote work options, but also offer flexible hours, allowing for seamless integration into existing routines. In the pursuit of a successful side hustle, the paramount consideration is the non-negotiable factor of flexibility. Conventional part-time roles frequently prove inadequate in accommodating the adaptability required by individuals balancing multiple commitments. The strategic approach involves delving into opportunities that not only enable remote work but also offer flexibility in terms of working hours, facilitating an effortless integration into one's existing routines. The path to a prosperous side hustle underscores the indispensability of flexibility. Many traditional part-time jobs lack the adaptability necessary for individuals managing a myriad of commitments. The key strategy involves exploring opportunities that not only permit remote work but also provide flexibility in working hours, ensuring a seamless incorporation into existing daily routines. Fun as a catalyst for enduring success. The enduring adage, "Follow your passion and you won't have to work a day in your life," encapsulates the timeless notion that integrating joy into side hustle pursuits is paramount. Opting for endeavors that resonate with personal passions not only fosters enduring dedication, but also significantly boosts the prospect of achieving sustained success over the long term. Before we move on to the next segment, it's time to join the subscribe squad. Hit that like button and stay tuned for awesome content. Finance, maximizing earning potential with strategic investments. While maintaining a focus on flexibility and enjoyment is essential, the financial aspect stands out as a central driving force for numerous individuals venturing into the realm of side hustles. Within this context, platforms such as Trading 212 come into play, presenting enticing opportunities for investment. These platforms not only open avenues for financial growth, but also provide additional perks, such as the distribution of free shares and the availability of multi-currency accounts, aiming to enhance and optimize potential financial gains. Expanding the horizon of side hustle ideas. Side hustle idea number 1, digital products and courses. Consider creating and selling digital products or online courses tailored to a niche audience. Utilize platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Gumroad to share valuable knowledge or skills reaching a global audience. Side hustle idea number 2, freelance services. Tap into your expertise by offering freelance services in areas such as graphic design, writing, programming, or social media management. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients seeking specific skills, fostering a thriving gig economy. Side hustle idea number 3, affiliate marketing. Explore the realm of affiliate marketing, promoting products and earning commissions for each sale through your unique affiliate link. Success in this arena requires strategic content creation and a deep understanding of your target audience, crafting your unique side hustle journey. In conclusion, side hustles epitomize the fusion of passion, flexibility, and financial potential. Whether curating content, offering freelance services, or delving into affiliate marketing, success hinges on aligning the side hustle with personal interests. Flexibility facilitates seamless integration into a busy lifestyle, while financial gains serve as tangible rewards. Remember, the most triumphant side hustles emerge when the lines between play and profit blur, creating a fulfilling and sustainable entrepreneurial journey. The canvas is yours to paint, and the side hustle is the brush that brings your vision to life. Once again, this is Ash Cash Tash. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video. And for more engaging content on economics, business, and personal finance.